So we're at Iona Beach, Regional Park. Just reached there. This is in Metro Vancouver in Richmond. So we are here at the Iona Beach, and we'll be doing the trail walk on the Pacific Ocean. So we're just heading there. Here is a map for the beach. So this is the Iona Beach Regional Park. Here it is. So we are right over here right now, and we'll be heading all the way to the terminus, which is 4 kilometers, and then back again. What a beautiful day. Very nice. Just a little bit windy right now, but it's beautiful. You can see the ocean, and here is the park hours. The gate opens at 7 a.m. and it'll be locked at 7 p.m. So let's check out the view from the tower. Hi there, how are you? So this is the trail right there. You can see it goes all the way down up to there, which is roughly about 4 kilometers that way, and then 4 kilometers back. It's a lovely morning. You can come here with your family, friends. It's a good place to exercise, work your legs. Distance to end of jetty, 8-kilometer return. Vancouver International Airport. And over there, that's UBC area, University of British Columbia. You can see there, it's like the sun is out, it's sunny. Check out these waves. Today it's high tide. Beautiful sound from the waves. of November, so weather's start to get chillier. Best months to come out here is gonna be in the spring and summer. Where you can really enjoy the sunshine. And you know, for some people, they also enjoy this kind of weather as well. That is the airport in that direction. Vancouver International Airport. Over there you see a cargo ship. They also have a trail for to ride the bike from this road right here. It goes all the way to the end. Just amazing. Beautiful today. Hi, how you doing?
Oh, yeah.
Good. Here we got a airplane taking off from the Vancouver International Airport. So here it reminds you again, the gate will be locked at 7 p.m. So if you're parked in the parking area, make sure you leave before 7. This one looks like an electrical room. It says high voltage, so better stay away from it. Don't go near. Hi, how are you? Here we see, looks like a shelter when there's a lot of rain or someone wants to just rest while they're hiking, walking. They can just come in, relax here. Mount Baker is also in that direction right there. That's all part of USA, United States. Right now we're at a 1.5 kilometers distance. We still gotta keep going till 4 kilometers in this direction. Very windy windy right now. I better hang on to my hat before it flies away. Beautiful. The sun just came out of the clouds and it's looking beautiful out here. Lots of mountains you can see now. Even the airplane. Looks like we got another rest area. Smaller than the first one. See, it's got a bench here, bench over here. Further up, we see an eagle. There is flying right up. So we are approaching 2 kilometers now. They also have a bathroom here if someone needs to use it. They can use it on the way. The building in the end over there looks like it has like 3 big tanks on there. That's where we have to go. That's where you complete your 4 kilometers one way. Total of 8 kilometers. The winds are just crazy right now. It's very windy. Maybe a temperature of 6 to 7 degrees Celsius, and here we have reached 3 kilometers. Freezing water. I have to get down. just stay in the bottom for now. The wind has really picked up. We're almost there. This is a trail that goes right in the middle of the ocean, both sides. Hello, how are you? A lot of people, they come here for walks, enjoy the lovely view. That's another Air Canada flight. To my hat. The winds are getting just stronger and stronger here. So we are approaching the end of the trail here. You can see this building with 3 massive tanks on there, white color. Let's go down the stairs. You can also come with a bike here, bicycle. Beautiful place. Another washroom. Here in this direction is West Vancouver. Very beautiful. It says do not enter, so we won't be going any further in. Very beautiful place. So whenever you come here, enjoy the lovely view, and it's just so fresh out here. We'll see you next time.